In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive. If you want to keep your documents organized in the cloud so you can access them from anywhere, Google Drive makes that process simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to upload a document from your device into your Google Drive account. This is especially useful if you already have a file saved on your computer and you want to store it online, back it up, or make it easier to share later. To begin, open Google Drive in your web browser and go to your main Drive page. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before you continue, especially if you use more than one account. Once you're in Google Drive, you should see your files and folders along with a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This is the main place in Google Drive where you create or add content. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options for adding files or creating new items inside your Drive. From that menu, click File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to add an existing file from your device rather than creating a new one directly in Drive. As soon as you select File Upload, a file browser window will open on your computer. Now choose the document you want to upload from your device. Browse to the folder where the file is saved, click on the document to select it, and then confirm the upload in the file browser window. Once you do that, Google Drive will begin uploading the file automatically. Depending on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. While the upload is in progress, you may see a small status indicator, usually near the bottom corner of the screen. When it finishes, the file will appear in your Google Drive. A helpful tip here is to double-check the file name after it uploads so you can confirm you selected the correct document. If needed, you can also move it into a folder later to keep your Drive organized. And that's it. Once the upload is complete, your document is stored in Google Drive and ready to access, organize, or share whenever you need it.